Okay, fans, here we go. Nah, we're not stopping at the playground today. We're here for the train ride. We're not going to stop at the playground. If some people have to go, I have to make a part 2 again. This is my part 2.
Engines like that. Oh yeah? There's actually a famous one. A 119 steam engine back there. Why it's not been used? Because the cap's tiny.
Yeah.
What was it?
119, you don't know. It's a famous Union Pacific steam engine. They have one down there. I was once on it.
I know, it's turning into a Canadian Pacific locomotive, unfortunately. And so there's a sign out back front.
They said there's a Canadian Pacific?
No, it's being transformed into one.
Have you heard of CP's Canadian Pacific merge? They merged with Kansas City.
I don't think so, no.
CPK. They already got 2 derailments now. They're still carrying passengers.
You hear that? Canadian Pacific is partnering up with Kansas.
Oh.
Southern.
They also have 2. One down there.
I don't know why she asked, but maybe they don't. I don't know. Ooh, look at all that. Yeah.
Wow. Hold on. Sorry if you can't see. There's too much bushes in the way.
They're all lined up. You see that?
Look that over there. There's a bunch of birds lined up. See that white line? Oh God. God. Oh God. I hear it coming. Oh God. You gotta be underneath the bridge fast if you don't wanna go under if it oh no. Oh no. It's coming. We got it. Oh boy. Oh God. Oh God. Oh no. Oh no. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, here it comes. 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 Yeah, I took a video before. Sure, they're like I said, they're turning it to Canadian Pacific. Yeah. If you go to the area where you get your tickets up at front, there's a little picture of some renovations for the West End train, and then it shows an image of a steam locomotive, and all I can assume is that it's that Union Pacific diesel-powered steam locomotive.
Does it have a round funnel?
Yep, it does.
Does it have any guidance things like that?
Yep, it does.
So that's right. It's not.
It's the same locomotive, yeah. They just renovated
Probably
it.
added a diamond.
Yeah. Hey, bunny.
Right there.
But yeah, but it's most likely being renovated. See, I think I saw the tender inside. And I swear to God, I saw a tender inside. Sorry, fans, I'm talking to a friend. I may record it probably the next train ride. Hello, bunny. Number 2. I'll show you the tender later.